Welcome everyone. 10 signs you are a people pleaser. How to stop people pleasing. People pleasing might not sound all that bad, but you will never reach your goals if you are trying to do things to please all people. The desire to make others happy has become a symptom of a deeper issue. You start editing your words and behaviors for the sake of another person's feelings or reactions. We start focusing more on less important things that please others and left with little time to do important things which you are supposed to do. This affects our lives and relationships badly. For most people, the eagerness to please stems from self-worth issues. They hope that saying yes to everything will help them feel accepted and liked. Other people pleasers have a history of maltreatment, and somewhere along the way, they decided that their best hope for better treatment was to try to please the people who mistreated them. And over time, people pleasing became a way of life for them. Many people pleasers confuse people pleasing with kindness, generosity, and helpful behavior. But there is a difference. While true generosity comes from healthy self-regard and a genuine happiness from shared enjoyment, people-pleasing comes from a place of lowered self-regard and a need for others' approval. Fundamentally, people-pleasing comes from an insecure sense of the self and a desire to base the entire sense of self on others' opinions. This can come from a traumatic family history, other experiences of trauma or toxic and abusive relationships. Here are 10 signs that you may be trying too hard to please everyone. Number 1. You pretend to agree with everyone. Listening politely to other people's opinions, even when you disagree, is a good social skill. Agreeability often seems like a sure way to win a proposal. But pretending to agree just because you want to be liked can cause you to engage in behavior that goes against your values. And it can create issues if you agree with someone's faulty plan. Number 2, you feel responsible for how other people feel. It is healthy to recognize how your behavior influences others. But thinking you have the power to make someone happy is a problem. It is up to each individual to be in charge of their own emotions. Number 3, you apologize or accept fault often when you are not to blame. You are always ready to take the blame and say sorry even when it is not your fault. Whether you excessively blame yourself or you fear other people are always blaming you, frequent apologies can be a sign of a bigger problem. You don't have to be sorry for being you. Number 4, you feel overburdened by the things you have to do. You are in charge of how you spend your time. But if you are a people pleaser, there is a good chance your schedule is filled with activities that other people want you to do. Number 5, you cannot say no. You are worried that saying no will make them think you don't care about them. So saying yes might seem like a safer option even when you have no time to do it. Whether you say yes and then actually follow through, or you later fake an illness to get out of your commitments, you will never reach your goals if you cannot speak up for yourself. Number 6, you feel uncomfortable if someone is angry at you. Just because someone is mad does not necessarily mean you did anything wrong. But if you cannot stand the thought of someone being displeased with you, you will be more likely to compromise your values. Number 7, you act like the people around you. It's normal for other people to bring out different sides of your personality. But people pleasers often sabotage their goals. Studies show that people pleasers engage in self-destructive behaviors if they think it will help feel others more comfortable in social situations. For example, people pleasers eat more when they think it will make other people happy. Number 8. You need praise and compliments to feel good. While praise and kind words can make anyone feel good, people pleasers depend on validation. If your self-worth rests entirely on what others think about you, you will only feel good when others shower you with compliments. You are worried about rejection and you spend a lot of time doing activities just to please them. Number 9. You go to great lengths to avoid conflict. It is one thing not to want to start conflict, but avoiding conflict at all costs means that you will struggle to stand up for the things and the people you really believe in. Number 10. You don't admit when your feelings are hurt. You cannot form authentic relationships with people unless you are willing to speak up sometimes and say that your feelings are hurt. Denying that you are angry, sad, embarrassed, or disappointed, even when you are emotionally wounded, keeps a relationship superficial. So, how to break free from people pleasing? While it is important to impress your boss and show that you can be agreeable, but being subservient could backfire. You will never reach your greatest potential if you are trying to be all things to all people. Start getting out of the people-pleasing habit by saying no to something small. Express your opinion about something simple. Or take a stand for something you believe in. Each step you take will help you gain more confidence in your ability to be yourself. This is it guys for today's video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Also subscribe to my channel. Thanks.